Bismillah. In this video, we explain what is the meaning of percentage and how to use percentage. Percentage is a ratio with second term 100. For example, 13% ratio between 13 and 100. 35% ratio between 35 and 100, and so on. To convert a fraction or decimal into a percentage, multiply by 100. Multiply by 100. If you have fraction or decimal to change to percent, multiply by 100. For example, 7 over 20, this fraction, if you need to convert to percent, multiply by 100 to 35, so this means 35%. 0.4 multiplied by 100, this equals 40%. Now, how to find the percentage of a quantity? For example, if I need 12% of 300, 12% means 12 over 100. Of means multiply, so multiply by 300. So 12% of 300, this means 12 over 100 multiplied 300. Then you can find the answer. Next, percentage increase and percentage decrease. To find percentage increase, we have a formula. We need to find the increase over the original times 100. For example, if the number change from 12 to 15, 12 to 15, I need to find the percentage increase. I need to find the percentage increase. So you need to find the increase itself. 15 minus 12 equal 3. So 15 minus 12 was 3 over the original times 100 equals 25. So 25%. So from 12 to 15 increase by 25%. Percentage decrease, the decrease over the original times 100. For example, from 80 to 76, it decrease. To find the percentage decrease, subtract 80 minus 76 to find the decrease itself over the original times 100. 5, so 5%. So from 80 to 76, decrease by 5%. Moving on, how to increase a quantity by a fixed percent. For example, if I need to increase 120 by 15%. So you can use this simple method. The original 100 increased by 15, now the new one 115. If the original 120 and I need to find the new one after increase 15%, cross multiply. Cross multiply. So 120 times 115 divide 100 equal 138. So this is the new value after increase by 15%. If I need to find the value after decrease 35%, 850 decrease by 35%, I need to find the new value. By the same way, 135, because decrease you need to subtract, so 65, I need the new value. So cross multiply, 65 times 850 divide by 100 to find the new value. It's 562.5. Sometimes we need to find the original price. So, for example, the sale price of a toy after discount 12% is $35.20. $35.20. I need to find the original price. So, discount by 12%. So, the original 100, discount 12. So, subtract to find the new price, 88. Now we have the new price, the sale price. The price after the discount, 35.20. To find the original, cross multiply. So the cross multiply method is valid if you need the new or the original. If you need the new, so you have the original, write the original here and the cross multiply to find the new. If you have the new, cross multiply to find the original. Also, we can generalize this percentage increase and percentage increase for percentage of profit over the original times 100. Percentage loss, the loss over the original times 100. Percentage of the error over the exact value times 100. Number 1, write 55 gram as a percentage of 2.2 kg. You need to convert kilogram to gram, so multiply by 1000. So this will be 2200 gram. To find the percentage, divide 55 over 2200 multiply by 100. So equal 2.5%. Number 2, work out 85 cents as a percentage of $2.03. Convert to cent, multiply by 100. So 203 cents. To find the percentage, 85 over 203 multiply by 100 equals 41.923, significant figure. Number 3, calculate 17.5% of 44 kg. So 17.5 over 100 multiply by 44 equals 7.7 kilogram. Number 4, in a sale, the cost of the coat is reduced from $85 to $67.50. Calculate the percentage reduction in the cost of the coat. So from 85 to 67.50, we need to find the percentage decrease. So to find the percentage decrease or percentage reduction, we need to find the reduction itself. So subtract 85 minus 67.50, divide the original price, which is 85, then multiply by 100 equals 20.59 to 2 decimal places. If you have money, round to 2 decimal places. Number 5, Rowena buys and sells clothes. She buys a jacket for $40 and sells it for $45.40. Calculate the percentage profit. Percentage profit equals the profit, which is 45.40 minus 40, selling price minus the cost price or buying price, over the cost price or buying price, which is 40, then multiply by 100. So to find the percentage profit, which is selling price minus the cost price over the cost price times 100. 13.5%. Double I, she sells a dress for $42.60 after making a profit 20% on the cost price. Calculate the cost price. So we have a profit 20%. So we can use cross multiply method. So 100 for the cost price, 20 for the profit, so 120 for the selling price. Now we have the selling price $42.60. We need to find the cost price. So cross multiply 100 times 42.60 divide 120 equals 35.50. $35.50. Number 6, here is a list of ingredients to make 20 biscuits. Find the mass of rice as a percentage of the mass of sugar. Rice 425, sugar 500. To find the percentage, so mass of the rice 425 over the mass of sugar, then multiply by 100 equals 85%. Double I, find the mass of butter needed to make 35 of these biscuits. To make 20 biscuits, we need 260 gram of butter. So 260 enough for 20 biscuits. So how many grams enough for 35? Now cross multiply to find the number. Answer 455 gram. Triple I, Michelle has 2 kg of each ingredient. Work out the greatest number of these biscuits that he can make. 2 kilograms, this means 2000 grams from each ingredient. So 2000 grams from butter and 2000 grams from sugar and 2000 grams from flour and 2000 grams from rice. If you have 2000 grams of butter, so how many biscuits you can make with 2000 grams of butter? You need to divide 2000 by 260, then multiply by 20, because each 260 enough for 20 biscuits. So I need to find the number of 20, number of group, how many groups. So divide 2000 by 260, then multiply by 20 to find the number of biscuits you can make from 2000 grams of butter. So 2000 divide by 260 equals, then multiply by 20 equals 153 biscuits. For 2000 grams of sugar, you can make, you need to find the number, 2000 divide by 500, then multiply by 20 equals 80. So you can make 80 biscuits. So the amount of sugar enough for 80. Another way to find the number of biscuits we can make with the amount of flour. So 2000 divide 650, then multiply 20 equals 61. Of course, we need to round down. If your answer is 61.5, so this is enough for 61, not 62. At last, the amount of rice, 2000 divided by 425, then multiply by 20. So this is enough for 94 biscuits. Now, the amount of butter enough for 153 biscuits. The amount of sugar enough for 80. The amount of flour enough for 61. The amount of rice enough for 94. So the greatest number of biscuits such that all ingredients enough. So take the least number, so 61. So 61. Because if you choose the least number, this means all the gradient will be enough. B. A company makes this biscuit at a cost $1.35 per packet. These biscuits are sold for 1.89 per packet. Calculate the percentage profit. To find the percentage profit, we need to find the profit. So subtract the selling price minus the cost price over the cost price, multiply by 100 equals 40%. Double I, the selling price $1.89 has increased by 8% from the last year. Calculate the selling price. If it increased by 8%, use the cross multiply method. So this means it was 100 and increased by 8, now 108. The selling price now 1.89. So this 1.89. We need to find the selling price the last year. So cross multiply. So 100 times 1.89 divide 108 equals 1.75. Number 8. A football club sells tickets at different prices dependent on age group. At one game, the club sold tickets in the ratio under 18 to 18 to 60 to over 60 to 7 to 3. There were 6,100 tickets sold for people aged under 18. Calculate the total number of tickets sold for the game. Now the ratio between them 2 to 7 to 3 and 6,100 under 18, so 6,100. Now to find the total, 2 plus 7 plus 3 equals 12. So we need to find the total, cross multiply. So 12 times 6,100 divide by 2. equals 36,600. Double I, calculate the percentage of tickets sold for people aged under 18. So we can use the ratio or the real numbers. So under 18, 6,100 divided by the total times 100. 6,100 divided by 36,600, then multiply by 100 to find the percentage. 16.7% to 3 significant figure. B, the table shows the football ticket prices for different age group. Under 18, $15, from 18 to 60, $35, over 60, $18. At a different game, there were 42,600 tickets sold. 14% were sold for the age under 18. 2/3 of the tickets were sold to the people aged from 18 to 60. The remainder were sold to the people aged over 60. Calculate the total amount the football club receives from the ticket sales for this game. So we need to find the number of tickets from each type. From people aged under 18, to find the number of tickets, you need to multiply 14%, multiply by the total. Then to find the amount, you need to multiply by 15. The same for the second type, from 18 to 60, we need to multiply 2/3 by the total number, then multiply the answer by 35, and the remainder, so we need to subtract 42,600 minus the two numbers, then multiply by 18 to find the total amount. So first we need to find the number for each group. 14%, this means 14 over 100, multiplied by 42,600 equals 5,964 tickets. For the second type, 2/3 times 42,600 equals 28,400. To find the remainder, you have to subtract 42,600 minus both 5,964 plus 28,400 equals 8,236. To find the total amount, multiply 5,964 times 15 plus 28,400 times 35 plus 8,236 multiply 18. So the total amount equals 1,231,708. Number 11. In January 2020, the population of a town was 5% more than its population in January 2018. In January 2021, the population of this town was 2% less than its population in January 2020. Calculate the overall percentage increase in the population from January 2018 to January 2021. So from 2018 to 2020, we have increased by 5%. So this means if it was 100, then increase by 5. It was 100%, increased by 5%. So now 105% as decimal 1.05. This is called the multiplier. From 2020 to 2021, decrease by 2%. This means if it was 100% in 2020, now decrease by 2, so 98%, or as decimal 0.98. So to find the overall percentage from 2018 to 2021, just multiply the two multiplier, 1.05 times 0.98 equals 1.029, then multiply by 100 to convert to percent. It will be 102.9%. This means increase by 2.9%.